If you're planning to work in Australia on a Subclass 482 Skills in Demand visa, this video will save you from the most common mistakes that lead to refusals. I'm going to walk you through exactly how the visa works, what the requirements are, and how to prepare a strong application. The 482 visa is an employer-sponsored visa, which means you cannot apply on your own. You must be sponsored by an Australian business. There are 3 stages. First, the employer becomes an approved sponsor. Second, the employer nominates the specific position they need to fill. And finally, you apply for the visa itself. All 3 of these stages must be approved for the visa to be granted. To qualify, you must work in an eligible occupation and have at least 2 years of relevant work experience. You also need to meet English requirements and, in some cases, complete a formal skills assessment. For example, if you're a cook, chef, or mechanic from certain countries, you'll likely need a TRA skills assessment before applying. Crucially, your experience must match the actual duties of the job, not just your job title. The employer also has strict obligations. They must prove the job is genuine and that the salary meets market rates. They must also show they have tried to hire locally through what's known as labour market testing. This is where many applications fail, not because of the applicant, but because the employer's nomination is weak or incorrect. The most common mistakes we see are choosing the wrong occupation and submitting generic job descriptions. Other issues include weak or inconsistent employment evidence and missing or incorrect skills assessments. Remember, a 482 visa is not just about eligibility, it's about how well the case is presented to the department. If you're planning to apply, we've created a complete step-by-step guide covering everything you need, including document checklists and testimonials from our clients. You'll find the link in the description below. If you want tailored advice, you can also book a consultation with our team. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more Australian visa insights. Good luck with your application!